Happy Independence Day to every Indian. On the 15th of August 1947, we all Indians celebrate the Independence Day with full zeal and great enthusiasm. But let me ask you one question that is celebrating the Independence Day is only about hosting flag, clicking photos with Ranga, uploading on social medias and playing loud patriotic music on the loudspeakers, or it means something bigger than that. On the before the 15th of August 1947, our country was brutally ruled by the Britishers. Our freedom fighters did everything to free India, and they succeed. But they also dream for a nation that is free from the corruption, discrimination, and illegal activities. But today we see the circumstances in India and the position where India stands in the ranking of the illegal activities, the crimes, and the corruption level. We still are lagging behind much. We, the citizens, think that showing the patriotism is only about going the defense and serving the borders. But let me clear that showing the patriotism is not only about this, but we every citizens and every person from their own can contribute and show their patriotism from their own service. So let's understand these efforts that we can do for our nation to improve the our nation and progress it in a couple of minutes. First of all, we can make and pledge for the following things. These are as follows. 1. We should always keep in mind that we have to make hygiene around us and the places where we go and live. Second, we will not put and throw any type of garbage anywhere like on the roads, on the streets. Third, we should respect every person around us. Third, we should promote fraternity among all citizens and we should respect every religion, every caste, and every individual. We will not divide ourselves because of these small mishaps, and we will respect the values of our constitution and respect the rules and regulation and support the government rules and regulation and will oblige to protect the government property. At the last, I would say that independence is not only about this that we do today, but let's do something bigger to make our nation move forward and respect it. Thank you.